Hello everyone, this is Kurt. I'm with Superior Water Trucks in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm going to be showing you stock number 87G55WT. This is a 1987 AM General. It's a 6x6 truck, 6x6 drivetrain. It has a Cummins big cam engine in it, diesel, an Allison automatic transmission, 18,000 miles on the odometer, and a trunnion suspension. Very, very heavy duty axles and suspension. I'll show you a little closer. You got this used to have a hoist on it, or a winch, so you could build one back on if you wanted to. This is pretty much like an army truck. It's got the big tires on the front, very, very heavy duty axles. As I mentioned, this is a 6x6. Probably all know what that means, but it means the front axle has a differential on it, hence the 6x6. Very heavy gauge tank cab. It's a 5,000 gallon tank. Pretty large fuel tank. You've got some, not sure how old they are, but you've got some Goodyear tires, drive tires, tandem axle of course, and there is a very, very heavy duty trunnion suspension. Here is a look at the back of the truck. This truck is not completed. We are a full service water truck dealership, meaning we have a mechanic shop, a fabricating shop, a paint booth, a body shop, and why I'm telling you that is because whatever this truck doesn't have on it that you may want, we can probably put it on there for you. An example might be canal load. Canal load meaning you could pull it up to a pond or a canal and suck the water into the tank for immediate use. I'm going to open up the cab. There's no passenger seat in it right now, but we'd put one in. Driver's side is in pretty good shape. I'll walk over there and show you in a minute. There are your shifters for the automatic transmission. Dash is nice and solid. Again, we'll do whatever you want with the passenger seat. Completely clear that area out. We can put a seat in it. We could replace the driver's seat, maybe put in air ride seats. I believe, I'm not absolutely certain, but I'm pretty sure. You can see the dash is all intact. The driver's seat is in pretty good shape. Again, we could replace it or recover it. A lot of flexibility. We're able to do a lot of things. Once again, my name is Kurt Holden with Superior Water Trucks in Phoenix, Arizona. Thank you for watching my video today, and please feel free to call me at 600-487-4777 with any questions you may have. Have a great day today.